Okay, students, this is the tutorial on how to step by step go through the wine bottle, or the wine bottle, we're calling it the bottled ocean effect. And this is what I want you to do. Be sure to open the PDF file with the step-by-step instructions. Um, so you need to go in your document and find the ocean bottle PDF and then open it. I have Bridge open. I've already browsed to this folder. We're going to work with this in just a second. But open up the PDF in Acrobat and size the window nice and small. Okay, size it over here so you always have it, and you can quickly scroll up and down and notice how it resizes the wording. If you can't read it, Command plus, just like in Photoshop, or Command minus. And then the next thing I want you to do is open up Adobe Photoshop. Bridge, I'm sorry. Open up Bridge. If you can't find it, it's in your Applications folder. Or if you click on Launchpad, you can find it in Launchpad. But open up Bridge and browse to the folder that you should have downloaded from the flash drive. And that folder's name is, if I can remember, Tropic Bottle. So once you find the Tropic Bottle folder in Bridge, I want you to drag it to the Favorites tab in the Favorites end of of Bridge. So if you're looking at folders, click on Favorites and then drag the folder over here. Now, when it pops up over top of something, like for instance right there, it disappears and you wonder where it went. You actually put it inside of that folder. You need to drag it till you see the thicker blue line like this right here, and then let it go and it'll pop up in your favorites so you can quickly access that folder. Go ahead and open up that folder and you should see something like this. Rearrange your content and your previews whichever way you want. That's up to you, but have that open. This is the way I want you to open the images and move them into our Photoshop document, because I see a lot of you dragging from your desktop. Let's get on our desktop here somewhere. Dragging from your desktop right into Photoshop, and you're creating a smart object. You're not creating. Here, let me show you an example. We're going to create the new file. Or we're just open recent. Now let's create a new file. 1600 by 2400. And also let's reset this. Let's go ahead and set this at 300. And we're going to do this in a minute. But you're dragging the folder or the icon from the desktop into the Photoshop uh, open document, and you're creating a why didn't it work? You're creating a smart object, which is a no-no. If you have an X on the front of your object, it's a smart object. If it's open in its own window, then you're going to be able to work with it easily with your move tool. See how quickly I move that over? There's no X in the middle of the front of this object. When you turn it into a smart object, it rasterizes or it vectorizes the image and it makes it pixelated. So when you transform, after you've made a smart object, it's going to be pixelated and chunky. And notice mine is not pixelated and chunky. Okay, so open up Bridge, browse to the folder, save it in your favorites. Remember this part right here, folders. You're going to browse to where that folder's at, which it is on mine. It's on the desktop, right here somewhere. Anyway, it's called Ocean Bottle, and then drag it into your favorites folder so you can quickly access it this way. And then open up the PDF into Acrobat nice and small, just like this, and also create the very first step in the tutorial, which is create a new object or a new document in that format right there. So get her done, come back and see me. See ya.